This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about apple cores, specifically these Metlux apple cores and slicers. And we have the red Metlux manual apple peeler, core, and slicer. It has a stainless steel blade, and it's approximately 11 3/4 inches by 4.5 by 5. And then we also have the stainless steel handheld core and slicer. So this small silver core and slicer is great when you don't need to necessarily peel the outside of your apples and you're just looking for quick, thick slices. You can see it's got the center area there that's going to extract your core for you, and you've got these nice fat wedges there, and it's just an easy press down on your apples and you've got slices ready to go. The larger unit is great for efficiently coring, peeling, and slicing apples all at the same time. It features a suction cup attachment for the bottom, right? You've just got this little crank here and you can pump it back and forth to stick it to the surface of your table and keep it in place while you're working. It will partially disassemble for cleaning. You can actually remove this little red piece on the back, just by unscrewing it, and then allow you to remove parts to really wash it and get a deep clean. It's got a nice ergonomic crank that's easy to operate. You can see it just spins really easily there. And those 3 prongs, let me just back it up a little bit. Those 3 prongs are just gonna easily pierce your fruits, right? Like apples or even things like potatoes, and keep them in place while the peeler peels the outside. You can see that's got a nice little spring action, so it's just going to rest there on the outside of your fruits and peel that off. And then this center hole here that this lines up with, that's going to core, and it's got a blade on there that's actually going to spiral slice. So as you turn the crank and move it closer, it's going to peel, core, and slice all at the same time. I love that it comes with the plastic safety cap to go on here when it's not in use, and that's going to help prevent accidents and injuries. The peeler blade is adjustable, so you can actually adjust that thickness of how much of that skin you want to take off. And the spiral slices are they're really nice, thin, even spiral slices. And it's easy enough, you're going to get one long spiral out of an apple, and you can simply cut it in half to get nice little half moons that are easy to layer into tarts and other dishes. It's going to be particularly great for making things like apple crumble. So it can be used for other fruits as well, and this is going to be great especially for restaurants and other busy kitchens where you're looking to process a lot of fruit quickly, and especially for home cooks who enjoy baking or canning.